Hey, how's it going, guys? So this is obviously a different style video than I usually bring you guys. This is because I just haven't been able to get into my set here. This is not my real kitchen. This was never my real kitchen. And I haven't been able to get into the set and make any recipes for you guys for this week. So I apologize for the lack of recipe content for this week. I know you guys love it. It'll still be around, don't you worry. We are leaving, you guys. I have to say goodbye. This set has been so amazing to us, so amazing. I've loved it and it's been great, but it's time to say goodbye because we're moving on to better and bigger things, and I want to bring you guys along with me. So that being said, you guys can actually check out the second channel right now. I'll link that down below. I posted a video on a little more detail, a little more stuff that's going on, what's going around on here. It's actually 4:30 a.m. right now, and here's Chris and I.
We are here in the middle of it.
We are in the thick of it right now, taking all this stuff down, and yeah, so getting stuff done. Yeah, so there'll be a bunch of content on the second channel just because it's a lot easier for me to just vlog along a process like this. And I know you're wondering, what's going on? What are you doing? Where are you going? So again, the second channel is where you will find the answers to this riddle. No, I'm kidding. No, yeah, you'll find out what's going on the second channel a lot more in detail and all that stuff. And on this channel, of course, you will get the recipe stuff. Next week, you will have a recipe video next week. If not a recipe video, maybe I'll do like a mukbang or like a food review of some kind. And for next week, you guys will have a video on here which will be food related. I'm not sure if it'll be recipe related because we have a lot to do, and yeah, so there's a lot of stuff going on. So regardless, there'll be like either like a food review of some kind, or like a mukbang, or what I eat in a day video, some kind of food related thing, but it won't be the usual, you know, me in front of the camera doing the thing, because obviously we're not gonna have a set up because this is going on. We will, but probably not for next week's video. So anyways, check out the link down below, I mean, for the second channel. Like I said, there will be loads of content coming on there. I'm gonna do like a 7-day, like 5 to 7 days straight of nothing but vlogs over there of what's going on, like what journey we're doing, we're embarking in, and all that good stuff. Yeah, so right now there is a video up, like I said. I feel like I kept repeating myself, and I probably am. You know how it is. So there's a video up right now, and yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Every time that I have to take like a little tiny incy break, you guys are so supportive. So I thank you so much. I appreciate it. Also, I wanted to publicly thank Chris for making this awesome set.
Yes.
That has served us so well. That we've all loved so much. But
new and bigger, better things.
Yes, bigger, better things. So I will talk to you guys soon. I love you all, and yeah, stay tuned. More stuff next week, and more stuff on the second channel down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye.